Hello everyone, on today's episode of Get Smart with Swap Smart, we will be teaching you how to hard reset your HTC 10. Before we begin, make sure your device is powered off by pressing the power button. To hard reset your device, we will need to press the volume down button and power button. First, hold the volume down button, then the power button until the HTC logo appears. On the next screen, use the volume down button to scroll to Reboot to Bootloader and select by pressing the power button. Now this white screen will appear. Use the volume down button to scroll to Boot to Recovery Mode and select by pressing the power button. This will lead you to the screen with the exclamation point. This may take a few seconds, so be patient. Now, hold the power button and then press the volume up button to bring up the Android recovery menu. Again, use the volume down button to navigate to Wipe Data Factory Reset and press the power button to select. Navigate to Yes by pressing the volume down button and confirm the factory reset by pressing the power button. Wait for the factory reset to complete and you're done. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, or leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Until next time.